Climb where I just put my foot. Right there.
Just give her a minute, Joel.
A little seat. A little seat. And more snow to
Yeah,
it.
you can.
You're doing good, sweetie.
Can't do it.
Yes, you can. Look how far you've made it already. Keep going. You're almost there.
Yeah, Madison. You're almost there.
Keep going.
I need some snowballs.
You're strong enough. Keep going.
Wow. A girl is not strong. Girls drool. Boys rock. Girls are supposed to drool.
You know what? I'm going to keep this video and see what you think to this same comment in 10 years.
Yeah, show that to Jersey Mike. He'll like it. Maybe he will. He won't. It's okay if he doesn't like it. I found a little hiding spot up here. Yeah, she's almost there. Hey, Madison, you're almost there. Ah! My seat! My seat fell all the way down.
How bad is the other side of this hill?
I'm not going to seat. Hey, guys!
What, sweetie?
Oh, yeah. Found a good hiding spot. There were tons of snowballs. Where there's tons and tons of snowballs. How do I get down? You never know, Madison.
Sit and slide.
Climb up here, your snow. Then you have to go climb down yourself. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Did you climb all the way up? We should go. Hey, guys! Madison, don't wreck this. Don't wreck any of it.
Hey, Madison.
Don't wreck the seat.
Madison.
I can slide down.
You can try.
I can try. I can try, Joe. Maybe I don't need this. I need this too. Let me climb down, Joe.
Not Joel.
How do we climb down? Not gonna tell you, Madison. Not gonna tell you. Daddy, I don't want this wreck. It's our seat. And I found a little hiding spot. Little hiding spot, Daddy. Hey, Dad, look at my little hiding spot.
Get that on camera, did you?
Daddy, I don't want to slide down. I'm scared to slide down. A little jump right there.